I'm Heath. I am one of the directors at Skylight Blinds Direct. We supply window blinds for anything ranging from a standard VELUX window blind up to a massive lantern window. We solve the problem of large windows, skylight windows that bring in excess heat into rooms, prevent TVs from being able to be watched and make rooms unusable. So we help solve those problems by supplying blinds bespoke for their windows. In particular, we focus our attention on products that fit onto the large lantern light windows. We offer a DIY service, so we help customers who want to fit it themselves. They want to save money by cutting out the middleman, and we give them the measuring instructions and the fitting instructions and the confidence to be able to do the job themselves while saving enormous amounts of money.
I'm Naomi. I'm Head of Customer Services, and I am probably your first point of contact if you have any touch points with our business to do with customer services, delivery, installation. I'll be the first point of contact for you. We manufacture bespoke blinds for your particular window. We specialise in covering roof window blinds. Depending on the size of your window and also the problem that you're trying to overcome, we can offer you different types of blinds. We ask you, first of all, the size of the window. We then figure out with you what power requirements you need. Once we've discussed whether you want manual, mains powered or battery operated, what fabric do you want? All of our blinds are thermal, be they blackout or anti-glare. Then colour, what colour do you want? In normal circumstances, we have your blinds within sort of 3 weeks manufacture time. That can be longer or it can be shorter, but we say about 3 weeks, depending on which blind you go for. If you don't know what blind to order, what size window you've got, we find all of that out from you by a series of questions that we ask you. We ask for photographs, we speak to you on the phone, and there's never been a window that we can't identify. What tends to happen is you make an inquiry on our website, and within 24 hours, we email you over a quote with all of the blinds that are suitable for your window. So once we've sent you over the quote, we then tend to contact you via email to see what you thought of it. We like to send you samples of the fabric so you can touch and feel the fabrics. Then if you are happy to proceed, you then download an order form from the website. You fill it in, we ask you all of the questions that you need to answer in order for us to make this bespoke blind exactly for your requirements. We get that order sent straight down to the factory, who in normal working times get you your blind within about 3 working weeks. Anything that goes wrong, your blind is covered by a 5-year guarantee.
Blinds have come a long way in a short period of time, from solar skylight blinds to Alexa voice controlled lantern blinds. That's one of the things that we're proud to offer alongside our quite extensive range.
So really, in a nutshell, we are the one-stop DIY blind shop. We have got your windows covered. You don't need to worry about that.
We're unique because we offer a self-fit product. We give all of the fitting instructions, all the measuring instructions to enable you to leave out the middleman, save yourself a fortune and fit the job yourself.